In this video, I'll guide you through how to manually add a contact to Klaviyo. Whether you're just getting started with your email marketing or you're refining your audience lists, knowing how to add contacts manually can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Klaviyo and look towards the left-hand navigation sidebar. Here, you'll see an option labeled Audience. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've done that, you'll see another option that says Lists and Segments. Select this, and it will lead you to a new section of the platform. Now, you're inside your Lists and Segments area. This is where all your audience lists are organized. Find the specific list you want to add a contact to and open it. This will bring you to the Lists dashboard workspace. It's a space where you can manage all details related to that particular audience segment. Once you're in the Lists dashboard, look towards the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Manage List. Go ahead and click on this. A menu will appear with several options. From this drop-down, select Add a Single Person. This option allows you to manually input a new contact's details directly into the list. You're now ready to fill out the subscriber profile details. Here, you'll be prompted to enter necessary information about the new contact. This typically includes their email address, first name, and last name. Depending on how detailed you want to be, you may also have the option to add additional information or custom properties that can help in segmenting your audience later on. As you fill out these details, take your time to ensure everything is accurate. Mistakes here can lead to errors in communication or even legal issues with consent, so double-check the information before proceeding. Once you've entered all the necessary information, the last step is to save. Look for a Save button, usually located at the bottom or top corner of the form. Click Save, and your new contact will be added to the list. And there you have it. You've successfully added a contact manually to your Klaviyo list. This method is especially handy for adding a few contacts here and there without uploading a full spreadsheet. Remember, keeping your audience lists clean and up to date is key to effective email marketing. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.